Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking the absolute ultimate practical course for content creators who are looking to massively scale their output using generative AI. And we're going to do it without blowing up your budget. We are diving into a comprehensive roadmap that literally takes you from staring at a blank page to running a fully published, monetized content machine.
We've got a packed agenda today, breaking this down into 5 key areas. We're going to cover the AI revolution, who is this for, your AI tool arsenal, the 6-step roadmap, and finally, your real-world outcomes. Let's get right into it.
Starting off with Section 1, the AI production revolution, from days to minutes.
Now, you might be wondering, just how big of a shift are we talking about here? Well, the leap in production economics is absolutely massive. Think about the old way of creating high-quality content. It required days of production time, incredibly high budgets, and massive, highly specialized teams. It was a grind. But the AI way? It collapses all of that cost and time from days down to literal minutes. It operates at a phenomenally low cost, and it's totally scalable. What used to take an entire team can now be done effortlessly by you, a solo creator, going from a concept to a published, perfectly on-brand piece of content without breaking a sweat. It's a real game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, who is this for? Finding the ideal candidate.
So, who actually stands to benefit the most from this? Well, this roadmap is perfectly designed for content creators and influencers who want to scale their output, but don't want the headache of scaling a team. It's for social media managers who are under the gun to pump out daily content. It's a lifesaver for small business owners who desperately need professional visuals, but simply don't have a massive design budget. And it's also incredible for freelancers and agencies looking to offer new AI-powered services to their clients. Really, it's for anyone curious about turning generative AI into a real, tangible income stream. And you want to know the absolute best part? No prior design, video editing, or coding experience is required. None.
Honestly, the crucial thing here is your mindset. I love this quote, "Generative AI rewards iteration over perfectionism." In this space, if you can write a basic sentence, follow a step-by-step guide, and just embrace a little bit of experimentation, you are fully equipped for this journey. You do not need to be perfect on the first try. Actually, scratch that, you definitely won't be perfect on the first try. You just need to be willing to iterate.
Okay, let's jump into Section 3, your AI tool arsenal, building the content ecosystem.
Think of AI as the grand central station of your workflow. In a successful setup, it acts as your central hub, seamlessly connecting your image generation, your cinematic video production, and all your diverse audio outputs into one smooth, unified operation. Everything fits together beautifully to create a unified pipeline, rather than a bunch of completely separate, disconnected silos.
So, what's actually inside this toolkit? You're going to utilize a few specific categories. First, AI image generators like Nano Banana or GPT models, working right alongside AI video generators like Kling or Cdance. You'll also use character consistency tools, which, by the way, are absolutely vital for maintaining your brand. Add in AI voice tools for text-to-speech, dubbing, or music, plus some basic scheduling tools, and boom, your pipeline is complete. And to run the whole shebang, all you need is a computer or smartphone, decent Wi-Fi, an email address to sign up, and a basic understanding of your target social platforms. That's it.
Now for the really good stuff. Section 4, the 6-step roadmap, your path to AI mastery.
This is your master plan, charting out your entire learning journey from step 1 all the way to step 6. And listen, this isn't just theory. It is a modular, structured path built around real workflows that you can implement right away. Let's break those steps down. Step 1 is professional image creation. This is where you learn prompting fundamentals and brand consistency. Step 2 tackles character consistency, using reference sheets so your faces and outfits stay identical across every single shot. Step 3 is all about how to monetize and automate your social media pipelines. Step 4 dives into cinematic video and reels, covering camera language and pacing. Step 5 helps you evaluate the best and cheapest AI tools, so you always pick the right platform for your budget. And finally, Step 6 covers AI voice and audio, including the best practices around voice cloning. As you progress, each of these 6 subcourses includes lessons, a quick quiz, and a capstone mini project, ensuring you actually leave with something real.
Now, I know what you're thinking. How much time is this going to take me? The magic number is 6 to 10. Plan for just 6 to 10 hours total to complete the entire roadmap. That breaks down to roughly an hour or an hour and a half per subcourse, including all your practical exercises. And because it's modular, you can do them in order, or just jump directly to the topic you need the most right now.
Which brings us to our final section, Section 5, your real-world outcomes, what you will build.
By the end of this journey, you are going to have a massive new skill set. You'll be writing structured prompts to generate professional images on demand. You'll keep your characters perfectly consistent across dozens of shots. You'll build a repeatable pipeline to automate and, yes, actually monetize your operation. You'll produce cinematic clips using real camera language, choose the exact right AI platform based on cost, and generate professional narration ethically. You are not just leaving with a notebook full of ideas, you will have a fully functioning automated pipeline tailored exactly to your platforms.
So you have the roadmap. The tools are incredibly accessible, and the barrier to entry has quite literally never been lower. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this one final provocative question. Are you ready to build your automated AI content empire? The shift to generative AI is already happening, so when will you start building?